Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Karen Nelson, aka the Designer in Jeans, and I am actually having a little car talk with you this afternoon because I'm in between clients. I just left one, and then of course I found myself a Starbucks. We are having an iced vanilla latte with almond milk, and so far it's really good. And I also got the roasted red pepper egg bites for my lunch. Those are really good. I actually had had a root canal this week, and I had some dental work issues for the past week. So I'm still eating soft foods. So we're working our way up, and I could not be more hungry. Eating is a favorite pastime of mine. So we're getting there. We added egg bites today, so things are looking up. All right, so I am coming here today to talk to you about the holidays. We are still, of course, in 2022, and with 2022, we are starting, thank goodness, to get a little more back to, I guess, what our normal is going to be. But we are still having issues in, like, some of the supply chains, of course, are still a little slower than they used to be. And our industry is no different. So anything in the remodeling industry or in the like furniture, accessories, all of that, it's still kind of hit or miss. So we're better than we were 6 months ago, but we still are having some hit or miss issues. So I wanted to address the holidays before we get too close. So everybody's kids, I'm seeing all the photos now that everybody's kids are back in school, and it is now time that we are all switching to, like, okay, I gotta get my home ready. We're starting to talk about the holidays, where, you know, who's going where, and, you know, we start making all those plans. So now is the time, and of course we're in August. So I would say by September, you actually, instead of just talking and thinking about it like we used to be able to and wait till, say, October if you were holding Thanksgiving, now's the time to start shopping. I would have never uttered these words to you before 2020, but now we are at the point where you have to start buying and shopping earlier. Say you're hosting Thanksgiving and you are wanting to redo your dining room. So if you're wanting the walls painted, or you're wanting new carpet, new flooring in there, or even if you just want a new table or a new light fixture, now's the time to get going on that. Everything, like from flooring and everything, it's very hit or miss. I would say if we had a project right now, like for just any basic remodel that we've been doing since the beginning of 2022, we are shopping at least a month early. You can't go too much earlier from when your startup date is, just because of supply. But if you go, say, about a month early and you start to pick out the carpet, the wood floor, the luxury vinyl plank, whatever it is, go about a month early, start to look at that, because this is something that you're going to want to purchase and have ready and on the job site. So when you don't delay, when they get to laying the carpet, the carpet's in. They just lay the carpet, come on out, put that in, and that's right after the painters are done, or however you're going to do it. Just line up your trades sooner than you normally would and start making your purchases. If you find the light fixture that you love and that's part of what you're changing, go ahead and order that light fixture and have it at your house. Store it at your house until you're ready for the contractor to come in. Everything is just earlier. That's all I can to tell you, to try to make this a little bit easier on you. Another tip is the furniture. So if furniture is definitely hit or miss right now, I am noticing that websites are getting better. So if you go to, say, Rooms to Go that I'm seeing it on, Rooms to Go and Star Furniture, I believe, a lot of the stores are saying when it is in stock now and ready for pickup. Those are keywords right now. So if you get lucky and your table is in stock, snag it. It is something that you need to go ahead and buy. If it says it on the website, fantastic. If not, when you go in to actually view it in person and you decide you do love it, make sure you have the conversation with the sales representative and ask for a date. You need to, if the item's in stock, if they're having any shipping delays, if even the chairs are having shipping delays, just make sure you break everything down that you're buying and see if you can get a date. I know you also need to ask them if they're seeing it where it's getting pushed back, or if this is just one that as soon as they get it, it's there, or are the shipments from this place getting pushed back. All of this is very vital information if you're about to host a Thanksgiving or a Christmas at your house. Another key point that I have is I am not advising that you get rid of anything. Like if you're doing a table and chairs for Thanksgiving, do not get rid of your existing pieces until the other one has shown up, and then sell, donate, whatever it is you want to do with your old table. But it would be awful for that to get pushed back and pushed back and pushed back, and now you're hosting Thanksgiving at your bar top in your kitchen because you already got rid of your pieces. So that is something that I absolutely have changed since 2020. I used to advise that you would just make space for it. Do not do that. Wait until the new piece comes in and then sell or donate your old piece. Lastly, I noticed that at home, and I'm sure it's all over. I was just at home the other day. They have rows and rows and rows and rows of Halloween stuff out already, which I feel like that happens sooner and sooner every year. And I'm still not completely over the beach and getting out, trying to get a suntan. But everything is being pushed forward. Normally, I would say I'm not buying anything like that until, I'm officially done with summer. But I actually would advise you now, if this is something that you need, if you know you're hosting a Halloween party or a Thanksgiving or Christmas and you want to change things up, I would be on top of that. As soon as it was coming out, I would be shopping this year, so you don't want to go into some empty shelves. I cannot predict that that's what's going to happen. I know in the last couple years it has looked like that when you go in and it's just really weeded out right before. So if I were you, I would kind of stay on top of that trend. Like whatever party you're about to host, as soon as it's starting to hit, I would be in the store so I knew. I could at least get 6 of an item if I needed it, and not just 4 and trying to dig for something else and it never comes in. So definitely just stay on top of this if you're hosting. Those are my tips. So I will be getting on here, and I would love to start doing like some table displays for you for the holidays and all the real fun stuff. I guess the first one I'll do will be Halloween. I'll do a tablescape of that for your like actual dining table. And then we'll work that way through the holidays. Just kind of let me know what you would like to see. If you could just come on here and like and subscribe and leave a comment as to the different things that you would like to see. If you want a fireplace mantle design, or if you want, just kind of give me some tips as to what you would like, because that's what I would like to show you all. I really appreciate y'all coming back every week. Thank you so much. I've been having so much fun with this. It's a great outlet for me. So I hope you're enjoying it as well. Have an amazing weekend. And we are not getting sun this weekend, but we needed rain so bad. We're all extremely grateful. This drought has been bad. You guys, if you're having sun, enjoy these last few weeks of summer. And I'll be inside being cozy, which is one of my favorite things to do. So I will catch you again next Friday. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.